A few months ago, I discovered Whop, a platform where creators and freelancers connect. I started small, helping in a few communities, clipping short-form content, and taking any opportunity I could. My goal? Prove that you can make real money without a storefront or a fancy course. At first, I made like $150. Then I found a creator who I thought had huge potential. That's when things picked up. Besides just clipping, I also started managing community, improving my workflow, and networking inside of Whop. After a few months, my earnings hit 1K, then 3K, and now I'm sitting at over $7,000 earned. And here's the wild part. While I was doing this, I helped a few of my friends do exactly the same. They each made over $5,000 just from clipping on Whop. But it wasn't all smooth. Some weeks were dry, some creators randomly disappeared, and juggling multiple communities got overwhelming. The hardest part was staying consistent when results slowed down. Still, every challenge taught me something, especially how important reputation and communications are on Whop. So far, I still haven't reached the full 10K, but I have made $7,000, all through service work. No digital products, no ads, just time, effort, and skills. What I learned is that Whop isn't just a platform. It's an opportunity for anyone willing to offer value. Now my next goal is to hit that 10K mark. And this time, I'm bringing others with me. If you want to see how I do it, or even learn how to make money through Whop yourself, make sure to subscribe, because the next video might just be your blueprint.